Hey guys, it's only X Cody here, and I'm about to be eating the world's hottest chocolate. And we got this from Labeast. Thank you, and yeah.
Go.
Alright, let's do it.
Well, you gotta tell everybody what you're doing, Jip Chit.
I already did. Hot
chocolate.
World's hottest chocolate.
See how long you can go.
Oh my god.
You hot?
That's like, whoa. You might cry in this one. That's hotter
Your
than a
eyes
chip.
are starting to water.
That's hotter than a chip by far.
Oh, I'm getting too much energy, bro.
I can't breathe.
Hey.
It's closing up my throat.
Yeah, and you sat there and said, "Oh, I don't see it being anything better."
Holy shit, Ray. Good job.
It's not hot.
Oh my god.
Scooter got the world's hottest chocolate bar.
Whoa,
For Christmas from his oldest son.
Boy. That chip ain't nothing compared to that.
That's one little block.
I had two little squares.
He had two little
Oh, you had
squares.
two?
Oh, you had two.
And they were tiny, tiny squares.
Oh my
Not
god,
bad.
is that hot?
It's not hot.
Oh, you lying
You're
sack of
full of
turd. Your whole
shit.
face is turning
You're
red.
spitting out.
Will you stop
Yeah, don't
doing
do
that?
Oh. Ooh.
Thought it wasn't hot, Cody.
Ray.
Take a drink.
It's only blisters. I feel a blister on the top of my
If it's
mouth.
not hot, Cody, take another one. Yeah.
He made sure
Oh.
to capture.
You want to eat the whole bar, Scooter?
No. I'm gonna drink some.
No.
That chip ain't nothing compared to that.
Now it's gone, almost. Oh no, it's in the throat.
The corner of my mouth right here feels like it's bleeding.
Yeah.
Like it does. Like the corner of it, like on this side over here, literally feels like it's bleeding. Like there's blood going down. Like I'm drooling.
Damn.
Kids these days.
No blood. It's not going away.
Oh, it just burped. Oh. Oh, mercy.
Done with recording? Sure you don't want to do anymore?
I mean, did the Labeast eat the whole bar?
Yeah.
I think he ate 2 whole bars.
That is just fucking dumb, man. Balls out to Labeast, boy.
Ain't no sponsors. Or whatever the hell it's called.
That's the reason why your dad was always talking about that. That's why Raymond got him the bars because of the LA
Oh, you've
Beast.
heard of it before?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he watches every one of his
I've been watching his
videos.
videos for years.
I think he's seen almost every one of his videos. He's
Yeah, right.
came home
Yeah,
and
right,
showed me
cupcake.
some.
Not alright at all.
Ashley, can you pour me another cup?
Well, thank God they needed more milk.
Yeah, really.
I might have to do milk.
My pee's like fast.
You want some milk?
Oh yeah,
I'm
you
gonna go
can't,
as slow as possible.
No, please, Ashley.
you can't baby it with milk
Hey.
now, can you, bitch?
Ray, get
Please
some
give
milk
me
for
a
your
big
dad,
glass of
please.
milk. It's not going away.
Ash, don't put that away, hon.
I feel blisters in my lip. You know, blisters.
Hurry, hurry.
Oh, he's starting to sweat. He's starting to
I'm
sweat.
sweating.
Holy shit, look at his face. He's starting to
I
sweat,
hope
Sherry.
he's
Look
gonna be
at,
okay. That shit's hot,
look at his
man.
sweating.
I hope he's gonna be okay.
Your face is
Turn off
red.
your-
Yeah, it's
You're
his.
sweating.
My heart's pounding right now.
Oh my God, look at his face.
My whole chest is fucking on fire.
Your quality of your
at
phone
Ray.
sucks. Wow, you are like red and sweating like crazy.
Milk
Hey,
tastes-
it's taking the green
milk
out of your
tastes
hair.
warm.
Very funny.
That's by far the hottest thing I've ever
So
seen.
now what are you going to do with the other little...
Give it to Ray. Give it to Iman.
Yeah, I'm in.
His friends will try all this shit after me.
I'm
Yeah,
in.
as soon as Scooter tries it, whatever's left, they give it to Raymond, and Raymond gives it to his friends.
I just want the package. That's
pause
all I
it.
want.
I want one for...
Hey guys, it's like the cup you just seen was like a minute ago. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Show your friends. Please have a good day.